Good morning students, welcome back to our online class. Today we will discuss about the next topic of this chapter algebra, fundamental operation. Fundamental operation means how we can add, subtract, divide, multiply to different algebraic expression or two algebraic or three algebraic expression. Okay, you know algebraic expression, combination of what? Term. Combination of term, and term which consists what? Variable means literals and constant. Literal and constant combined with a multiplication or division sign. Term what? It is a basically combination of variable and constant which combined with two operation, multiplication or division sign. Okay, so here today we will discuss about how we can add. First point, addition of algebraic expression. How we can add the given algebraic expressions, two or more algebraic expression. Clear? Suppose we want to add what? 5a plus 2a. So here this a is what? Literals, na? Is what? Literal. And 2 and 5 is what? Variable or constant. What? This is constant. So how we can add 5a plus 2a? This is like term, na? These two are like term. Like term in case of algebra or algebraic expression. What is this like term? If two terms having the same variable, with different coefficient, this 5 and 2 we are called coefficient, multiple of the variables or literals. Okay, or it is a constant term or coefficient. So if two algebraic expression or terms, okay, having same variables or literals, then they are called like term. Okay, so how we can add two like term? So here see 5a plus 2. So first common out a, then add their coefficient. You will add their coefficient and write at once, single time, the variables or literals. So 5 plus a, 7. 7a. 7a. Same as if you want to add other example, see 3xy plus 4xy. So here literals are xy. Okay, and both are the like term because here xy is also xy. But their coefficients are different. 3 and 4 what? Coefficient which are different. So again common out the literals or variable and add only their coefficient. 3 plus 4. What you will get? 7 xy. 7xy. Okay students? How you can add? Okay. Unlike terms, suppose unlike terms is given. How you can add the unlike terms? Minus 9x add and 2y. Add minus 9x and 2y. Simply you can write this minus 9x plus 2y. You can't add two unlike terms. Or we can't add two unlike terms. Unlike terms cannot be added. Simply you can write this simple way, 9x plus 2y, minus 9x plus 2y. Okay. Some more examples we will discuss. Addition of algebraic expression. Suppose two algebraic expressions given with two terms. Two algebraic expressions given two terms. 3x plus 2y and 4x plus 5y. Clear? Add this. So here you can add this with two ways, column method or horizontal method. So first we will discuss horizontal method. Horizontal method. See, in this way how can I add 3x plus 2y plus 4x plus 5y. Now you can separate the like term. You can write the like term together. Okay. So like term here 3x, 4x. 3x plus 4x. Now again like term 2y, 5y. 2y plus 5y. Now use the simple rule. How can you add 3x plus 4x? Their coefficient will be added. Variable will not add. Okay, so you can write the variable single times. 3x plus 4x means 3 plus 4 x common, and here 2 plus 5 y common, 7x plus 7y. Okay, students, clear? Now some more examples you can add with the horizontal method. Now we'll discuss about the column method. Same way you can add 2 or 3 algebraic expressions together, either by using column method or horizontal method. Now we'll discuss about the column method. Okay, how you can add using this column method. इससे कैसे आप ऐड करेंगे using the column method. So again, suppose it is given 7x 2y and minus 5x plus 8y. Minus 5x plus 8y. Add both algebraic expressions using column method. So you can write this. Here you write the second algebraic expressions. Okay, here, but like term with like term, this other like term with other like term. Okay, so here you can write 5x minus 5x plus 8y. Minus 5x plus 8y. Okay, now here plus sign. Simple, you can add number. You can add this expressions again. Only their coefficient will be added. So 8 plus 2, 10y. 7 plus half minus 5. 7 plus half minus 5. What will you get? 7 minus 5, 2. So you can write 2x. Okay, students. So in this way you will add the given algebraic expressions, okay, by column or horizontal method. Now comes to the exercise. Some questions of exercise. See here, exercise 2a. Exercise 2a. One question I will tell in each parts. First, see, suppose you want to add 9th one. Okay, add 5z square minus 12z square and 19z square. So how will you add all three terms? 5z square minus 12z square minus 19z square. Firstly, all are the right term, no? Because their variable or literals are same. Z square, z square, z square. So you can add either by column method or by horizontal method. So you will add this by horizontal method. 5z square plus of minus 12z square plus 19z square. Okay. So add this one 5z square plus minus minus 12z square 19z square. So add first both positive term 19 plus 5. 19 plus 5 common z square and minus 12z square. 19 plus 5 24z square minus 12z square. Now you see again like term z square common. So what you will get? 24 minus 12 z square 12z square. Clear, students? Okay. See next question. In this way we will solve the other parts of the exercise. Okay, first question. Second, I will tell 6th one. Suppose you want to add second 6th question, half xyz. Okay, xyz 3 by 2 xyz and minus 2 xyz. minus 2xyz. Clear? So here xyz, 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 xyz. In all, the literals same, means all are the like terms. Simply you can write this half xyz plus xyz plus 3 by 2 xyz and plus of minus 2xyz. Okay, now common out the literals from all terms. 1 by 2 here, no any coefficient given, so you can suppose it's 1. Now 3 by 2 minus here 2 common xyz. Now solve this all numbers, some fractions given and some this one. 1 by 2, 3 by 2. 1 by 2, 3 by 2. What you will get? 4 by 2. 1 and minus 2. Minus 1. xyz. Now 4 by 2, 2. Minus 1. xyz. So what you will get? xyz. 2 minus 1, 1. xyz. Clear? Okay. Suppose all the terms are not like, some are like given and some like term is given. Then how we can get like this? Example number 8, question number 8 of the second one. 3abc, comma 4bcx, 2abcd, 2abcd and minus 5abc. Minus 5abc. You see here 3abc and 5abc. Both are like term. So only these two can be added and these two are not added. So simply you can add abc, 3abc minus 5abc plus 4bcx plus 2abcd. So these two are like term. 3 minus 5 minus 2 abc plus 4bcx plus 2abcd. Okay students, this is the result of this question. Okay, some more questions given here. You will solve, try to solve it out, you can ask. Clear? Now we proceed to the next question, third one. Add each pair of the expression. Add each pair of the expression. Third question here given. So again, third, I will take one part. Suppose 6. You want to solve 6. 5x square plus minus x plus 3 and minus 2x square minus 2x minus 3. So you can get two terms given. First, this expression is given. Second, this expression is given. Two expressions is given. So either you can add by horizontal or column method. If you want to add by horizontal, you will write this like term together. Like term together. So 5x square, okay, x 3 plus of minus 2x square, okay, minus 2x minus 3. So here 5x square minus plus minus, minus 2x square minus x and minus 2x minus plus 3 minus 3. See here 5x square minus 2x square. What? 3x square. 5 minus 2, 3. Minus x minus 2x. You know minus minus plus. So minus 3x. Minus 3 plus 3. Cancel out 0. So answer is what? 3x square plus minus 3x. Minus 3x. Okay. Next question you will solve of this. Aid out. You can ask. Now we will proceed to the next, fourth one. Fourth question. See, fourth one. Again, find the sum. Find the sum. Now we will solve this by using the column method. By using the column method. Suppose you want to add 6 1, 2ab, 3bc, 6ca. First is given this, Second given 3ab. So she will write this like term below the like term. 3ab. Now 5bc minus 5bc minus 16c minus 16ca. Again minus 5ab plus 2bc plus 10c. Okay, add using column method. Using column method. So you can also add this in horizontal way. Whatever you want, you can use this method, either column or horizontal method. Now here, how can you solve? See here, 2 and 3 both are plus, then minus 5. So 2 plus 3 minus 5. What you will get? 2 plus 3, 5 minus 5. 0. 0, na? So it becomes cancel out. We will get here 0. Now see here, 3, 2. 3, 2 again, 5. 3 plus 2 minus 5. So 5 minus 5, 0. So again this is cancelled out. We will get here 0. Now again see, 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 6 minus 6. Minus 16. Minus 16. So 16 minus 16, 0. Again this is cancelled out. We will get the 0. So answer becomes 0. Either you can add with the horizontal way, you will get the same answer. You will get the same answer. What? 0. So some more question is given. Students, you can add by horizontal or column method. See. Some more question. Fifth one. See here, students. Fifth question. I will tell. Fifth, which part? Suppose third. X minus 3y. Okay, plus 7z. Okay, now add second term. I will write. I am writing here 18x plus 10y minus 11z. Now third term I am going to write minus 11x minus 6y plus 2z. Okay, so how will add? Again, you will write the like term together. X, 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 y, 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 z, z, z. So here I am writing, see, x, now here plus 18x, now here minus 11x, now y minus 3y plus 10y minus 6y, now z, 7z minus 11z, and here last plus 2z. Again, only coefficient will be added. Where you will write single time. So x plus 18x, 19x, 19x minus 11x. Here 3y, 6y, minus minus plus 9y plus 10y, 7z, 2z, 9z minus 11z. Now you see 19 minus 11, how much? 8. 8 na? Now 8x, 9y minus plus 10y. 10 minus 9, 1. So here becomes y. Now 9 minus 11, 9 minus 11, 2. Means minus 2 because minus is greater than minus 11. So minus 2z. So answer is 8x, okay, plus y minus 2z. Okay students, one more questions I will get last. Rest part of this question you will solve a doubt you can ask in next class. Okay students, clear? Now last one, see. Last question. See here. 6. Second part. 1, 9x, 13x square. And question is asking add using the column method. So we will write in column form. 1, 9x, 13x square. Now we are given minus 12x cube. Again we will write the like term. Below the like term here 11x cube. Okay, now second one plus 7x square plus 7x square minus 4. Minus 4. This term is not given. So not given, we will suppose this is 0. Again, either leave it. Now third term, 90x square plus 19x square minus 3x minus 3x, okay, minus 24, clear? And fourth is given 6x cube and plus 21x, okay, add all four terms by using the column method. So how you add? Here I wrote like term with the like term. So you can add, you know that now, in the adding of algebraic divisions, only coefficient will be added. See here, 12, 11, 6, minus 12 plus 11 plus 6. So plus 11 plus 6, plus 17 minus 12, how much? 5. So you get here 5x cube. Now see here, 13 plus 7 plus 19, 13 plus 7, 20, 13 plus 7 plus 19, 20 plus 19, how much? 39. How much? 39. So here you get 39x square. Now see here, minus 9x minus 3x plus 21. So 9 or 3, both are negative, minus 12 plus 21. So 12, 21. How much you will get? 12 and 21? 9. You will get here plus 9. So here 9x. Now here all other, here minus 4, minus 24, minus 28, minus 28 plus 1, minus 27, minus 27, minus 24 plus minus 4, so minus 24, minus 4, minus 28 plus 1, minus 27. Clear? Now you can write this in order, means in degree, highest degree order, highest degree this, then 39x square, decreasing of degree. Okay, now 9x minus 27. This is the answer. Okay, students. In this way, we will solve the addition of algebraic question. Clear? We will complete the exercise first. Okay. Exercise. Okay. First, any doubt you can ask in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.